Hi, I'm River from North South Travels. A lot of you guys have been contacting us via Instagram regarding this post, wanting to know how we edited it. So today I'm going to talk you through the steps of how we created this image. So let's get straight into our first ever tutorial. First things first, import your image into Lightroom and head on over to the Develop tab. Before anything, we always resize our image to the 4x5 portrait size. Make sure the framing is how you would like it, then head on over here and apply your preset. Here we're applying our Maldives Dark preset. For this particular image, we also applied a graduated filter, bringing the exposure down to 0 and adjust the shadows accordingly. So now we want to zoom into the image. Come back up here to your adjustment brush and make sure this box here is ticked on. What this does is it helps not to go over the edges of whatever subject you are masking. We want to see the area we are masking, so ensure this box 2 is ticked on for now. We then mask ourselves so we can make the adjustments. Once the mask is done, go back to the Show Selected Mask Overlay box and untick it. Now we can see the adjustments being made within the mask area. So we brought the exposure up slightly, brought the clarity up, down here along with the sharpness, and we just brought the colour temperature down slightly, just so our skin colour wasn't too orange. And there it is. For the next part, right click and head on over to Photoshop. Now you're in Photoshop, go over to the Select menu and click Select and Mask. Over here on the View drop down menu, select Onion Skin. Go grab your quick selection tool and paint over the areas you want to keep in your image. Once that's done, go back to your View and Select overlay. This will now show you the area you have kept. When replacing the sky, depending on the edges, we like to smooth out the mask slightly. Feather the edges and add a little contrast. Anything you've missed, add it back into the mask. Once you're happy with the mask, go ahead and click OK, and we're nearly there. You now want to find your sky, get that into Photoshop and place it where you want it. Make sure the sky layer is underneath your original image, and that's it. Make some final tweaks, and there you have it. Make sure you save it. This will then automatically save back into Lightroom. Export that image, and you're done. There it is, a quick and easy, simple way of replacing your sky. So there it is, guys. Let us know if you've got any more questions. Stick them in the comment section below. Also, feel free to share any of your images using these editing techniques I've just shown you. We'd love to see how you guys get on. Use our hashtag NorthSouthTravels. I've added links to all the equipment we use, all software, all our social channels and website down in the description below. Please subscribe, like, comment and share all the above, and we'll see you on the next one.